Watch me make this wreath for fall. First, I start with 3 different colors of mesh and I cut them into 10-inch pieces. You're going to need 3 pieces per grouping. You just spread them out, pinch it in the middle, and twist it right onto the wreath base. I always start with the outer ring of the wreath first, and I kind of pull the mesh towards the outer perimeter of the wreath so I get a nice round circle when I'm done. I'm going to go around the whole back ring first, and then I'm going to do the same exact thing on the top smaller ring. When I add the mesh into the smaller ring, I do not pull the mesh towards the outer edge. I kind of spread them all out so the wreath ends up more full. And I leave the little branch on the top of the mesh because I'll be adding the ribbon on in the next step. I cut all of the ribbons into 12-inch pieces. I have 3 different groups of 3 ribbons. So it's kind of like the mesh. I have 3 different ribbons per group. Twist it on, and then I hide the branch behind the ribbon. I kind of spread them all out to make sure they're all showing, and then I'm going to go to the next grouping and grab one of each of those. Spread them out, I pinch across the center, twist it on, and I'm just going to go around the whole wreath, alternating between the 3 groupings until the front ring is full. Every wreath is a little bit different. For this one, I'm going to be using a rectangle sign, and depending on your style, you can center the sign or you can off-center it. For this wreath, I decided to place the sign in the center because I'm going to be adding some fall pumpkin picks to like opposite corners of the wreath when I'm done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to click on the link in our bio to visit our website, and you can shop through all of our wreath kits. We also have the TikTok shop. Make sure to leave me a comment, like, and share. Thanks, and have a great day.